So hi guys, yeah, a little bit more for you. This has just arrived. Absolutely stunning example of the Ferrari F430 Spider. This is a 2005, only reached 30,000, just under. It's got your 4.3 litre petrol engine. What a stunning car this is up close. Sometimes the videos just don't justify it. You can see the mirror in the paintwork. No swills, nothing. Just a lovely, lovely car. I mean, for the age of this car, it's just oozes spectaculation. It's absolutely lovely. It is just tremendous. I mean, in terms of what we've done to it, we've done a lot to it for you guys. We've put new exhaust manifolds on it, a new clutch and flywheel. We've done new engine mounts. It's got a new roof canvas. It's got, what else have we got? It's got a full set of Michelin Pilot Sports. All this work has been carried out by a very well-known specialist called Enso Automotive. Obviously have a look at them. Specialise in high-performance vehicle maintaining, servicing, etc. But you can see it's just stunning, this car. Finished in that lovely, lovely Daytona. Nero Daytona. It's absolutely stunning. You can see the alloy wheels, all the tyres are all fantastic. Also ordered a leather wallet for it for the service book, so it'll come with that. We've got the cover, we've got the nice cover on it as well. But I mean, it's just a beautiful, beautiful car. It was recently obviously owned by a clear enthusiast who bought it from the renowned Simon Furlonger back in 2019. So it's been sold and kind of looked after by reputable people out there in that industry. But I mean, the amount of work that we've done on it is endless. Major servicing including engine oil, filters, spark plugs, coolant and brake fluid, suspension refresh including replacement ball joints and suspension bush, rectification of all engine oil leaks, including your cam cover, timing cover gaskets. It's just the amount of work that we like to do on these cars. We just want to make sure that you guys are taking a car, looking after it. We know it's been looked after prior. But look at it. In terms of your spec, it's got your Scuderia Wing Shields, carbon fibre driving zone. We've got your yellow calipers, electric seats, and yeah, I mean, we've invested kind of over £15,000, and it's just beautiful, absolutely stunning. Let's go inside it. There's nothing that this needs for. I mean, look at that. It's still got that really nice leather smell as well. Really special. We'll put the roof down so you can see it's all working right. Mileage is there, just over the 30,000. So we'll pop the roof. Look at this. I mean, it's just, you've just got to love these. They're just old classics now. They're just beautiful. They really are. I mean, look at that seat there. 21 years old, this car, and that is like, I mean, it's like it's 5 years old. Obviously it's 21 years old, but it's tremendous. So as you can see, we'll get out and show you that. It's always good to see that you can see that the seat, you know, that it all fits perfectly. bit of a pip and a bowl, so you can have a little bit of a sense of what we can get. I'm not going to do too loud because I don't like doing that, but you've got to hear a little bit of it. So we'll just pop. So there you go, there you have it. What a car. Just put the roof back on. Bit chilly considering it's spring. Can't believe it, can you? Good job I got my coat on today. And there you have it. All nice and snug and fit perfectly. Absolutely wonderful. I do say so myself. Guys, you know where we are. Seriously. I'm speechless. Absolutely speechless. What a beautiful machine. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.